Cardiovascular and static exercise. Cardiovascular exercise.
Cardiovascular exercise, also called aerobic or endurance exercise. Cardiovascular exercise is any form of activity that uses aerobic metabolism. That is, during the activity, oxygen is heavily involved in the cellular reactions that produce the energy necessary to sustain the activity. Your heart rate increases and you breathe more deeply to maximize the amount of oxygen in your blood and help you to use more oxygen efficiently. Hence, you feel more energized and do not get tired quickly. Neck stretching. Keep your head squarely over your shoulders and your back straight. Slowly turn your head to the right until you feel a stretch in the side of your neck and shoulder. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds, and then slowly turn your head forward again. Repeat on your left side. Doing this activity makes you feel relaxed and feel at ease. For your information, isometric exercises, also known as static exercises, are performed by increasing tension in a muscle while keeping its length constant. To perform an isometric exercise, joint motion must be prevented. This can be achieved by pushing against an immovable object, such as a wall, immobilizing the patient with an isokinetic device or with a restraint, or when the therapist can exert sufficient force by the patient pushing against unmoving resistance provided by the therapist. Next is shoulder stretch. Relax your shoulders, raise one arm to shoulder height and reach it across your chest. Pull the arm slightly toward you with your other arm. This will help you get a gentle stretch. Hold for about 6 seconds. Repeat it 2 to 4 times. Static stretching, on the other hand, is done at the end of your workout and involves stretches that you hold in place for a period of time without movement. This allows your muscles to loosen up while increasing the flexibility and range of motion. The benefits of static stretching. Number 1. Greater flexibility and range of motion. Stretching at the end of your workout, once your muscles are warmed up, can help increase the range of motion in any joint you target. Range of motion is how far a joint, like your hip or knee, can comfortably move in a particular direction. Having greater flexibility and range of motion can help you move with more comfort and ease. This can make everyday tasks and exercises easier. Number 2. Less pain and stiffness. Having tense, tight, or overworked muscles can cause pain and discomfort. Research has shown that static stretching is an effective way to reduce stiffness in tight muscles. This, in turn, can also lead to reduced pain, which may help you tackle your daily tasks more easily. Number 3. Decreased stress. High levels of stress can cause your muscles to feel tense and tight. Stretching your muscles can help them relax, and when combined with mindful breathing exercises, it can also reduce mental tension and anxiety. Number 4. Increased blood flow. A 2018 study on animals found that daily stretching can also improve circulation. Increased blood flow may help your muscles recover more quickly after you've exercised. Number 5. Improved performance. Boosting the flexibility of your muscles can enhance your agility, speed, and muscle strength. This may help you perform at a higher level when you work out or play a sport. Next is lunge stretching. The lunge is a great way to exercise the hips. It stretches and strengthens the glutes, hamstrings, quads, and even muscles in the ankle and core. Lunges are great cross-training exercises for almost any discipline. Forward, reverse, side, or diagonal lunge positions work to sculpt, define, and strengthen large lower body muscle groups including the glutes, maximus, hips, hamstrings, adductors, hip flexors, and quadriceps thighs. Lunges strengthen your back and core muscles without putting too much stress or strain on your spine. A strong, stable core reduces your chance of injury and improves your posture, making common movements easier. Last but not the least is cooling down. A period of low impact or slower exercise following a more intense workout to allow the body to gradually return to its normal physiological level. Cooling down is an easy exercise done after a more intense activity to allow the body to gradually transition to a resting or near resting state. Depending on the intensity of the exercise, cooling down can involve a slow jog or walk. With lower intensities, stretching can be used. That's all for today. Thank you and God bless.